To delete a Gmail account, open your Gmail and click the profile icon. Then go to Google account or manage your account. Scroll down a bit and here you can see data and privacy. Go there and scroll down. At the last, you can see delete your Google account. Click there, enter your password, scroll down and check mark this. Please make sure all Google services will also be deleted which are linked with this Gmail account, like your Google Photos, Google Drive, etc. And by clicking the delete account, your account will be deleted. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.